How to check the storage on your Mac. First of all, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on the Apple icon. Then click on System Settings. Go to General and then Storage. Then on top you have all the important information about your storage. First of all, on the right side you have the information of how much storage is already used. And you also see the total amount of disk space that you actually have. In my case, I have a disk space of 2 terabytes. And as you can see, I have used about 900 gigabytes of these 2 terabytes. So I'm lucky half of my disk is still empty. With the help of this nice little graphic, you can also see at a glance what kind of files take up the most storage on your Mac. This is really useful because it will point you into the right direction when you actually want to delete and free up some storage on your Mac. Furthermore, below you see a very detailed breakdown which will help you even better to understand which files take up a lot of storage on your Mac. In my case here, you can see that the file type documents is taking up a huge part of my storage. If you want to delete some files to free up storage, you can simply double click on one of these categories here, and you can then exactly see which files take the most space on your disk, which is super helpful. Apple makes it really easy to find all the large files here on your disk, and from here, if you find files that you would like to delete, it's incredibly simple. Simply right click on a file and then click on delete. And this is how you check your storage on a Mac and how you potentially delete files to free up some more of this precious disk space. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.